Thanks for joining us again on another one of the Garagistic videos. Today we're going to talk about E30 sway bars. Here I have an adjustable 22 millimeter Garagistic E30 front sway bar that is adjustable. That's one of the configurations that we sell. We also sell a spec bar, which is non-adjustable, also 22 millimeters, and a 19 millimeter rear sway bar. Now, depending on what your use for the car is, you're gonna want to either pick one or the other. The adjustable one is our most popular unit because it gives you the versatility of being able to adjust from basically the stiffest to softest setting. So that's what each of the holes are for. And that's something that you will either gauge with your use or your tire, a lot of your suspension components, your tire, a lot of that stuff. So if you're unsure about it, definitely shoot us an email, info@garagistic.com, and we can walk through which one might be best for you. Certain spec racers will only run a front sway bar and no rear sway bar, and that can be very helpful, especially in a lot of underpowered cars, because it allows the rear trailing arm to droop. Again, this is based on preference, but that's pretty common configuration to basically run a pretty big bar pretty aggressively in the front and no rear bar in the rear. And again, that's something that you might want to talk to a couple of spec E30 racers, give us a call, and kind of, if you have the ability to drive a friend's car and check it out, that would be a good way to figure it out. Now, these are completely bolt up and reversible in the E30. They pair really well with adjustable end links on the side. There's going to be a link on that below. And they will require a front subframe modification, which is the front sway bar reinforcement. Those tabs will rip out with bigger bars like this. The sheet metal in your E30 is very, very thin, so definitely using the Garagistic front subframe reinforcement kit would be really helpful. If you're not able to weld, we do offer a E30 front core exchange program for your front subframe. So that way, basically, we could send you a reinforced front subframe, sandblasted, powder coated the color of your choice, and you would send us yours back, and we would keep the program alive for other users. So if you're interested in that, there will also be a link in that in the description. Thanks for joining us.